Today's mini story begins in a small cafe. Listen carefully and learn new expressions. Let's go.
Morning. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'll have a cappuccino and maybe a chocolate croissant.
Great choice. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. You can take a seat. I'll bring it over in a minute.
Hey, wait, is that you?
Emma, wow. What are the odds?
I can't believe it. How long has it been? 2 years?
Almost 3, I think. You look great, of
Thanks. I'm running late for a meeting, but I had to say hi.
course. Are you still working at that design firm?
Nope, I quit last year. I started my own studio. Finally.
That's awesome. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. Anyway, let's not lose touch again, okay? Coffee soon?
Definitely. Text me anytime.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead.
Thank you, it's pouring out there.
Yeah, it came out of nowhere.
I'm Adrian, by the way.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alejandra.
Likewise, you come here often.
Not really. Just when I need a quiet place to think.
Then we think alike. I come here when my office gets too loud. I work in marketing, international campaigns, digital stuff, all that chaos.
Sounds stressful but fun.
It is, what about you?
I'm an English content creator. I teach people online.
Oh really, that's awesome. I've always wanted to improve my pronunciation. Maybe I should follow you.
Haha, you totally should. I promise I'm not boring.
I'll take your word for it.
Here you go, sir.
Thanks. Oh, and can I also get one of those cinnamon rolls?
Of course.
You know, it's strange how strangers can talk like old friends sometimes.
Yeah, maybe that's what makes life beautiful.
You know, sometimes I wonder if life is trying to tell me something.
Like what?
Like, slow down, enjoy your coffee, talk to people. Don't rush through everything.
I feel the same way. We're all so busy trying to get somewhere we forget to be here.
Exactly. Maybe that's why I came today, wanting to remember what now feels like. Well, I should probably head back to the office before they think I disappeared.
Haha, tell them you got stuck in a life lesson.
I might just do that. It was really nice talking to you.
Likewise, Adrian. Maybe we'll meet here again.
I hope so. Take care.
Good morning, Alejandra. Ready for another busy day?
Always, let's do this.
Hi there. Can I get an iced latte and a slice of carrot cake?
Of course. Would you like the latte with oat milk or regular?
Oat milk, please. Oh, your English is really good.
Thank you. I actually speak 2 languages.
That's amazing. I wish I could do that.
You can. You just need practice and patience.
Hi, I'm visiting from Canada. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
Perfect. I've been trying to order coffee all day, but my Spanish is terrible.
Haha, no worries. What would you like?
Just a black coffee, please.
Coming right up.
You know, it's impressive how well you switch between languages.
Thanks. I studied English because I love connecting with people from around the world.
That's beautiful. And now you're using it every day. That's real learning.
Exactly. That's what I tell my students on my English channel.
Wait, you teach online?
Yeah, I make short lessons to help people learn faster.
That's amazing. Keep doing it. The world needs more people like you.
Hey, I wasn't sure if you'd still be here.
Adrian, you came back.
Yeah, I was passing by and thought maybe I need another cappuccino.
Aha, or maybe you just missed the coffee girl.
Maybe both. So, how's the new job?
It's great. I meet new people every day. Some speak English, some Spanish.
That's the best part, and learning never stops. You know, Alejandra, I've been thinking a lot lately.
About what?
About purpose. About doing things that matter.
I get that. That's why I started teaching. I wanted to help people believe. They can do more.
You're doing exactly that. You should be proud. Sometimes we think small things don't change anything, but they do.
Exactly. One word, one smile, one cup of coffee. It can change someone's day.
I'm glad I came back today.
Me too. Maybe this is where things start to change. Thank you for listening to this story. Every moment, every line teaches you real English. If you want to keep improving, stay with me. A new story is waiting for you.